What's up, guys? Have you ever heard anybody say that money can't buy happiness or money won't make you happy? I think we've all heard that before. So in this video, I want to go over that very question. Can money make you happiness? Roll the footage. So, can money make you happy? Well, many different people have many different opinions when it comes to this. There was a study published by financial planner Empower that found more than half of Americans, 59%, said they believe that money can buy happiness. And listen to this. They said the amount of money that would be able to buy happiness would be $1.2 million. So guys, they're saying that happiness can be bought, but it comes at a pretty hefty price tag of $1.2 million. There was another website called prnewswire.com that said though 7 in 10, which is 71%, believe more money would solve most of their problems, they believe that money would solve the issues that are going on in their life. We live in a society where everything is focused around money. You gotta have money to buy someone or to hire someone to fix your issues in your house. You gotta pay money for someone to talk to you about your marriage. You gotta spend money to be able to go anywhere to make more money. You've gotta spend money to make money. Our society is based upon money. It's based upon a currency. Every world has a type of currency right now. For you to be able to do really almost anything, to be able to survive, the way that today's age has set up our community has made it where only money will get you anywhere. So if all these people believe that money can bring happiness, does that mean that money can also cause sadness? Listen to this. 42% of U.S. adults have said that money is negatively impacting their mental health. According to a recent survey from Bankrate and Psych Central, the survey polled 2,457 adults about how finance affected their mental state. 42% of people has said that money negatively impacts their mental state. So guys, first off, not only can money buy things, but it can affect your mind. So first of all, you have to ask yourself, is attaining all this money worth the stress? Another study, in October of 2022, the APA reported the highest number of people experiencing money-related stress since 2015. That 66% of respondents said that money is a significant source of stress in their life. 66% of people say that money, the thing that we work over 40 hours a week for, the one thing that we go to college for, the one thing that we're taught to save, is causing them stress. Now, is it normal to be stressed out about money? That's a whole nother video for a whole different time. So, it seems based upon these studies that money can cause sadness. But is that really the case? You've probably heard of body dysmorphia. What is body dysmorphia? It's basically where people are not happy with their body no matter what they do. Everything they do, no matter how much they work out, no matter how much diet they do, no matter how much they change their lifestyle, they are not happy with their body. They don't feel like they're right within their own skin. So, with that being said, there is also something called money dysphoria. And money dysphoria is a distorted view of money that could cause you to make poor financial decisions. That was written by Jeff McDormand, a financial advisor with Create Wealth. Basically put, money does not cause sadness, but how you spend it many times can. How you spend your money, how you invest your money, how you do these things. If you invest in money in stocks, or are you blowing your money at the casino every week? Are you spending more money than what you should? You're not putting no money back for the future. You're not paying for things. You're not thinking of the long-term goal. I talked about achieving success through your vision, having a clear vision. You can check out that video after this one. And I talk about having clear and precise goals is one of the most important things for achieving success. If you are not investing or saving your money or spending your money with your goals in mind, then you are just spending all your money on things that does not matter. That's why a lot of people get frustrated, because 3-4 years down the road, they've made maybe $85, $95, $100, and $150,000 a year, but yet they have nothing to show for it because they have not had their goals in mind. Money should be a tool to attain things in your life that you want, that you need. It should be to sustain you in your life. It should be used to reach certain goals in your life. Like I said, you got to do these things to achieve. You got to have goals in mind when you spend your money every week. A lot of people have budgets in mind. But where is your money going in your budget? How far ahead are you budgeting things for? Are you budgeting for 3-4 months down the road? Are you having 6 months worth of bills? Because guys, these things are important, because guess what? I talked to a banker today, and he said if we don't have a certain amount of money put back whenever the recession hits, then what are you going to do? We got to have maybe your house paid for. Maybe have it paid for. That way, whenever the recession hits, you have one of the biggest payments of your life already taken care of, and you ain't got to worry about it. And guys, we're not cavemen, and I'm not saying that we are naive and that we think that money is not a necessity. Guys, we're not living in a third world country. It takes money to survive, and I understand that. But how are you investing? For me, as a minister, I understand that, guess what? You got to tithe 10%. I have that structured out and budgeted out every single time I get a paycheck. Have I slacked from it before? Yeah, I have. But then you got to realign yourself, and it goes back to having a clear vision. If you don't have a clear vision, you will slack off on these things that are important. So you got to remember your goals every single time. And I'm saying that, guys, you need to write it down. To be able to spend wisely, you got to have a clear and concise goal. So there's people all around the world. So the question is if money can cause sadness, can it cause happiness? My answer in a nutshell is no. Here's why I don't believe that money can buy happiness. Because there's people all around the world, in third world countries, have no electricity. They don't have running water. They don't have clean food. They don't have health services, but yet they seem like some of the happiest people in the world. Why is that? Because happiness is not in your possessions. Happiness is in your perspective. Your perspective is what will change everything. And here's the thing, guys, is that once you change your perspective, magical things can happen, like your spending habits will change. You'll begin investing like a smart and concise person with a clear vision. And so your perspective is what matters. Money doesn't buy happiness. And the longer it takes you to realize that money does not buy happiness, the longer it will take you to realize that, guess what? The lack of money is not what's causing issues. It's the lack of perspective. So guys, hey, I hope that this video has helped you out. Be sure to like and subscribe. Guys, if you want to know more about achieving your goals, one of the biggest things is having a clear vision. So go check out my video about achieving your goals through having a clear vision. I love you guys. Like, subscribe. See you later.